One of the best time to buy landed property is during promo. Promo! We got an amazing promo here in Crystal Garden Phase 3. Remember in the month of August. Yes, I started this drive from entrance of Centenary City, Enugu, and we are going straight to Crystal Garden Phase 3 to show you and at the same time tell you about the amazing promo currently ongoing there in this month of September. And as always, I'm going to show you the road clearly, the good road, the bad road. Yes, the tarred, the untarred, the waterlogged, everywhere, of course. And you're going to see things by yourself, okay? So sit back and ensure to watch the video till the end. Remember in the month of August, I told you that Crystal Garden Phase 3 was selling for 5 million naira. And then in this month of September, it appreciated to 8 million naira. But guess what? We decided to run an amazing promo of giving it to you at the rate of 5.5 million naira. Just 2 weeks promo. Rush now to grab your property. Crystal Garden Phase 3 is situated behind Centenary City, Enugu. Crystal Garden Phase 3 has a C of O, amazingly. Make inquiry. You would know that for you to have a C of O on any landed property in Enugu State today, you must keep between 3 to 7 million naira, depending on the size of your land and its location. But interestingly, Crystal Garden Phase 3 already has a C of O. I am standing in front of someone's property, someone that has fenced and gated his own, So you know that Crystal Garden Phase 3 is not a bush. But let me tell you, even if somebody is telling you to buy a bush in Enugu State today, and that bush has CFO, Bikonnam, Babosa Jegoria, Makana CFO buzi akara oku na Enugu State. If you have missed buying any property in Centenary City, Enugu, this is an amazing opportunity for you. Yes, especially now that we are running a 2 weeks promo in Crystal Garden Phase 3. Crystal Garden Phase 3 already has a CFO, and it is situated in a developing area behind Centenary City, Enugu. The same way real estate developers teamed up to develop Centenary City, Enugu is the same way they are teaming up to develop behind Centenary City, Enugu. So many real estate developers are here behind Centenary City, Enugu. You remember that in Centenary City, Enugu, we have the Didaya Estate, we have Almond, we have Potters, and the rest of them. All these communities, mini estates, helped to develop Centenary City. And the same thing is about to happen behind Centenary City, Enugu. And Crystal Garden Phase 3 is one of those estates behind Centenary City, Enugu. So, as you can see, we are done with clearing. As you can see with me, we are done clearing this property. We are done clearing Crystal Garden Phase 3. And persons already fenced and gated their property here in Crystal Garden Phase 3. And before the month of December, we are going to commence other work here in Crystal Garden Phase 3. I am your real estate consultant here in the southeast Enugu, Nigeria, Loveth Aneke. Call or WhatsApp me anytime immediately before these 2 weeks elapses. Just call me immediately on 0803 743 5005. Until I come your way again. Bye for now.